I did make every effort to include the latest scientific studies. Please note, though, that research is constantly changing, and one clinical trial cannot always cover diverse bodies and communities. Individual responses to foods and treatments may vary based on a variety of factors, including genetics, environment, diet, and other lifestyle factors. Even solid clinical trials and studies tend to have an agenda or underlying bias, and despite the best intentions and efforts of researchers, the scope and purpose of scientific research will always be somewhat limited by factors such as funding, ethics, and logistical constraints. Relying on a single expert or source can be risky, as errors and biases can occur. It's best to verify information from multiple sources before accepting it at face value. Engage in due diligence and critical thinking to ensure that you are making informed decisions. If you wish to deep dive into the topic, you can check out my references posted in the description box below.
According to a scientific review published in the U.S. National Library of Medicine in 2007, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration officially categorized colloidal oatmeal as a skin protectant in 2003. Colloidal oatmeal is a type of oatmeal that has been ground and processed into a fine powder. As a result of the small particle size and the dispersion in water, the fine particles deposit on the skin and form an occlusive barrier. Here are the benefits of colloidal oatmeal for skin supported by limited scientific studies. 1. May help improve skin dryness and strengthen skin barrier. In a randomized controlled trial published in 2016, 50 healthy female subjects with moderate to severe dry skin on their lower legs were treated with a colloidal oatmeal skin protectant lotion. The use of colloidal oatmeal lotion showed significant clinical improvements in dryness, moisture level, and skin barrier health. 2. May help manage eczema symptoms. In a double-blind study published in the U.S. National Library of Medicine in 2020, a team of Iranian researchers examined the effects of colloidal oatmeal on chronic hand eczema among patients at a dermatology clinic in Iran. The researchers observed longer symptom relief in the 26 patients treated with 1% colloidal oatmeal cream compared to a control group. In another clinical study published in the Journal of Drugs in Dermatology in 2020, a team of American researchers compared the effects of a 1% colloidal oat eczema cream and a standard moisturizer on the skin microbiome and skin barrier function of patients with mild to moderate eczema. Of the 61 patients who completed the study, those treated with the 1% colloidal oat eczema cream showed a 51 to 54% reduction in eczema area severity index and atopic dermatitis. Severity index scores after 14 days of treatment. The 1% colloidal oat eczema cream also improved the skin microbiome, skin pH, skin barrier function, and hydration more than the standard moisturizer. The results suggest that topical products can have different impacts on the skin microbiome and barrier properties, and that using a 1% colloidal oat eczema cream can improve both.
By the way, before I continue, if you're new here, I'm Jera from the Philippines. Welcome to my channel where I share my knowledge and discoveries about everything related to anti-aging, natural health remedies, dogs and cats, and personal development gained from reading research articles, scientific journals, and books written by doctors and experts. If you also have a gluttonous appetite for new knowledge, please consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I upload new content. Also, you might want to check out my mini ebook, 40 Wrinkle Fighters Other Than Retinol, backed by scientific studies. Just click the link in the description box below for more details.
Moving on, colloidal oatmeal may also help with psoriasis and sensitive skin. A 2020 study published in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology evaluated the tolerability and satisfaction of using a 1% colloidal oatmeal lotion on individuals with psoriasis. 60 women with psoriasis and sensitive skin participated and used the lotion daily for 4 weeks. The results showed that after 4 weeks, the participants perceived a significant improvement in various skin parameters such as dryness, itchiness, and discomfort, with an average improvement of 38%. More than 96% of subjects felt the product reduced the severity and number of patches, and 100% found it suitable for daily use. The lotion was well tolerated and no adverse events were reported. The study concluded that the Colloidal Oatmeal Moisturizing Lotion improves skin appearance and discomfort associated with psoriasis and is suitable for daily skincare. Lastly, Colloidal Oatmeal may help manage rashes and bug bites. According to the said studies, Colloidal Oatmeal can help improve the skin microbiome, skin pH, skin barrier function, and hydration. Colloidal Oatmeal may help soothe itching and inflammation caused by poison ivy, oak, sumac, and bug bites. When skin is itchy and irritated, its pH level can be unbalanced, but colloidal oatmeal acts as a balancing agent and helps restore normal pH levels, particularly when the pH is too high. This can provide relief from itching associated with poison ivy rashes and bug bites. Unless you have a known oat allergy, colloidal oatmeal has been found to be safe in most people. In a series of studies, it was shown to have low irritant and allergenic potential, with only 1.0% of subjects having low-level reactions. No allergies were reported in a sample of 80 subjects after patch testing after in-use application. What's more, colloidal oatmeal was found to have sustained moisturizing effects on dry skin, lasting up to 2 weeks after product discontinuation. Over a 3-year period, no allergies were reported by consumers of 445,820 products containing colloidal oatmeal. One of my favorite skincare products that contains colloidal oatmeal is Aveeno Baby Eczema Therapy Soothing Bath Treatment, fragrance-free. They come in convenient packs and are easy to use. As of creating this presentation, it is rated 4.6 out of 5 stars with 2,219 customer reviews on iHerb. Click the link in the description box below to see the updated price. You can save 10% on your purchase by using my discount code APT0317 at checkout. This code never expires, so feel free to use it anytime you shop on iHerb.com.
If you've learned something you didn't know before watching this presentation and you appreciate the time I invested in researching, writing, and creating this presentation, please give this video a like. If you're interested in looking and feeling your best and exploring natural solutions, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching!